If you have forgotten your password for Easy Manage Mobile Pro, don't worry. Follow these simple steps to reset your password and regain access to your account. Take note that you can only change your password using the device where the mobile app is installed. If you try to reset your password on another device or computer, it will not work. So be sure that the email address you use can be accessed from the mobile device that the app is installed on. You enter your password and tap Login. But an invalid credentials message appears. It's time to reset your password and regain your access. On the login screen, tap Forgot Password to start the reset process. Enter your email linked to your account. Then tap Send. You'll receive a password reset link via email, or if you don't see it, check your spam folder. Keep in mind that the reset link will expire in 24 hours. Check your Gmail or Outlook inbox for the verification code. Make sure to refresh your inbox if you don't see it immediately. You can tap the Click here to reset the password for your account. You will be redirected and see a pop-up asking you to open the Easy Manage Mobile Pro app. Simply click Continue to proceed. Then, create a new password that's strong and secure. Once you are done typing your new password, you can just simply click Submit to save your changes. And now, congratulations! Your password has been successfully reset. Enter your new password. And you can now tap Login. Wait to be redirected to your home screen. And you will now have access to your Easy Manage Mobile Pro home screen. That's it. Resetting your password is quick and easy. Make sure to save your new password somewhere safe so you won't have to reset it again. Thanks for watching! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest updates. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below. See you in the next one.